Welcome to EP.6 Trades, and today we'll be breaking down the best trade of the week and the worst trade of the week. And before we're gonna do that, we're gonna discuss what happened last week. And without a further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, last week I took a trade on gold, two trades actually, and both trades were a loss. What happened is that I used the wrong lot size, and I'll put the screenshot on the video. That was bad for our trading because we were around 800 and we took two trades which we lost 100 and something, both of them, meaning 200 and something, and it took us back. And for the rest of the week, we made losses and we ended up going, I think we are on around 400 and something, 500. You'll see at the end of the video. But let's break down the worst trade of the week, which was gold again, guys. So on gold, how I trade gold these days is I use higher time frames because gold currently it's in a, as you can see guys, in a consolidating structure. But yeah guys, we see how I trade it is that we see that the previous week we had a bullish market. We see that the candlestick was bullish, and from there on what we're expecting is bullish market only, meaning we'll be buying this whole time. So I go to the daily time frame and look for bullish candlesticks after a bearish candlestick. So as you can see here, I took this trade. After a bearish candlestick, I wait for a bullish candlestick, and this is our bullish candlestick. I took a trade here, and the trade was playing fine, guys. The trade was playing fine. As you can see on a 4-hour time frame, this is what was happening. The market pushed up, and we saw a retest to this level, guys. You know, support and resistance is the key. So we see a push towards this level, push to the upside. I was targeting around 1:2, and I don't put my stop loss to break even because sometimes, especially for gold, the market will come down, tip you out, and go to hit take profit. But other times it will go straight to your stop loss. For example, in this case, and this is what happened. The market went up, pushed higher, then came down very hard, took us out. And from here, I'm suspecting that for the next coming week, we'll be taking a sell since our weekly candlestick closed bearish. So we'll be taking a sellers up until we see a bullish candlestick on a weekly. And that's it, guys. That's it for the worst trade of the week. Let's go to the best trade of the week. And the worst trade of the week was CHF JPY. So how I trade my currencies, I use daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and I just manage my trade on a 15-minute time frame. When I say manage, I just look at it like it's nice to see like your trade playing out on a lower time frame, but I don't do anything. I don't put stop losses on break even or anything. So basically what I do, I wait for market break and retest. Simple as that, guys. Break and retest, support and resistance. So as you can see here, we saw market failing to push higher, and we broke structure here, guys. We broke structure to the downside, broke structure, and we saw a nice retest. We waited for this trade very patiently, a nice retest to continue to the downside. Then once the market reached our level, then we went to a 4-hour to look for a precise price to enter on. And what I do, guys, I wait for the market to come. You see here, guys, the market came closer to the price we're supposed to retest, but that's not what we are looking for. But this is what I'm looking for. I want to see the market touch or break our price, then close below the price. Understand? For example, here we see this candle broke our price and closed below. What do? I entered my trade and set my take profit. And here, guys, this is what we see. The market went to the downside, and yeah, we hit take profit. This was the best trade of the week, and unfortunately it's the best trade of the week, but I couldn't make more money on this trade because I was risking less compared to when I was trading gold. So at the end of the day, the worst trade of the week and the best trade of the week, both of them ended up being a break even, which is not ideal for trading space. But yeah, guys, I'll be modifying my strategy as I move along, changing a lot of things here and there. We need to adapt in these market conditions. And yeah, and I also show current running trades here for the next coming week. I took the trades and they were not playing out. Actually, I can show you some of them like GBP/USD. We're still waiting for this market to come to the downside. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I'll show you some highlights on what was happening. And yeah, guys, we're still patient, trading small, $1 at a time will reach millions. Just be consistent and keep pushing, guys. And thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.